Example 2. Find f prime of x if f of x equal x cubed plus radical 5. To solve this example, let's remember the same formula that we used before. F prime of x equal limit as h approaches 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h, where f of x equal x cubed plus radical 5. To solve this example, first of all we have to prepare everything. I have to calculate f of x plus 5, f of x plus h. I have to calculate f of x plus h. So f of x is x cubed plus radical 5. f of x plus h equals x plus h cubed plus radical 5. We have many methods to expand x plus h cubed. The easiest one of them is to remember Pascal triangle. 1, 1, 1. Add 1 plus 1, which is 2, 1 here, 1 there. 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 1, and 1. This row is the required row as coefficient of x plus h power 3. So, f of x plus h, let's calculate x plus h power 3 first. X plus h power 3 equal. First, write the coefficients. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. And now what about the variables? We begin by writing x cubed here. And each time decrease 1 from its power. So it will be x squared. And here it will be only x. For the 1, there is no x. And begin writing h to the power 3 here. And begin decrease 1 from its power each time. So I'll have h squared here. H there and no h for the first term. This is f of x plus h, or this is x plus h power 3. Now let's calculate f of x plus h. F of x plus h equal x plus h power 3, which is x cubed plus 3 x squared h plus 3 x h squared plus h cubed plus radical 5. This is f of x plus h. Now let's substitute in our formula. F prime of x equal limit as h approaches 0 f of x plus h, which is x cubed plus 3 x squared h plus 3 x h squared plus h cubed plus radical 5 minus f of x. Here is f of x. Write f of x between brackets. Don't forget this. F of x is x cubed plus radical 5. So I'm writing here x cubed plus radical 5. As I told you before, every term in this bracket will disappear. Radical 5 with radical 5, because this comes after minus. X cubed with x cubed. And you have left only elements which have h. So we can take h common factor. Let's do this next step. F prime of x equal limit as h approaches 0. Let's take h common factor in this step. I forgot to put this h. Let's take h common factor in this step. So we have h bracket 3x squared plus 3xh plus h squared over h. Now we can cancel h with h. So we have this limit only, which is 3x squared. 3xh becomes 0 as h is 0. H squared becomes 0 as h is 0. So this is our result. 3x squared. Let's revise what we did once more. I begin by writing the well-known formula, limit as h approaches 0, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. My function is f of x equal x cubed plus radical 5. I wrote Pascal triangle. The coefficients of power 3 is the set of 1, 3, 3, 1. So I put 1 here, 3, 3, then 1. With respect to the first term x, it takes the full power, which is 3 for the first term. Each time decrease 1. And the h take for the last term the full power, and each time we decrease the power by 1. Then we find f of x plus h by writing this, and don't forget to add plus radical 5. Substitute in our formula. Everything between brackets will be cancelled. What is this bracket? It's f of x. And now we have left only elements which have h as common factor. We take h common factor and reduce, then substitute h equals 0 to find the limit. In this example, we found the derivative. What is meant by the derivative? Its meaning is slope of tangent of the function, or slope of the graph, or instantaneous velocity, or instantaneous rate of change. Every one of them could be considered as meaning of derivative of the function. Thank you and goodbye.